What's up? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is the Angel Christina channel.
I'm 24 years old and I'm from Irvine, Orange County.
This is the Angel Christina channel. If you are new, please like, comment, and subscribe. Or if you are an OG, welcome back with another one. Anyways, what's today? Today is Friday. And it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Just dropped Kaylee off at school. Now we chilling. Say hey, boo thing.
You the manager?
He about to get up out my bed in a minute.
You know me and Josh got a haircut today.
He got a slide. He got a slide.
You know that, right?
Oh my God, okay. I'm about to order me some breakfast. Cause I'm hungry. But yeah. I'll get back to y'all later. I'm hungry. About to order me something good.
Do you want to buy me a drink?
You want to get out? Do you want to go?
What are you having?
See y'all later. Y'all notice I do that? That's how y'all know I'm starting a video. Like it's like another a new fresh video. But guys, I didn't get my coffee. We are out. I have to go get the kids. So this, like I told you guys, like I probably won't be recording this week that much because this week is tomorrow is Melvin's grandmother's funeral. So today we have, and today's the wake. It's at 4 to 7. We have to get the kids. We have to get the kids. Kaylee needs some tights and they need shoes. So yeah. They
got a bottle of Milagro in there this big for $55.
Got one.
I swear to God.
Go get it.
We get it when we come back. I got a whole shelf full of them.
That shit gonna be gone.
No, man, these people don't drink no fucking Milagro.
It's gonna be gone. I know.
You know what?
Why we just don't get it when we here?
Because I don't feel like going back in there now.
That's some lazy shit. Yeah, I done been to 4 stores looking for kids' dress shoes and tights. I never, ever in my life experience not one store with no black, especially girls, black dress shoes. Like, I don't know what's going on in the world. Like, it's something. Because any store, you can walk into H&M, you can walk into Old Navy, you can walk into almost any department store and literally find black dress shoes. This is the 4th store, and I'm irritated. After I get these dress shoes, I'm getting me a damn cinnamon bun. This is needed. So, clothes didn't have the shoes. So now we gotta go to Burlington. I pray that they have them. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lose my mind. I want to see somebody after this. I want to see somebody with a black dress shirt. We're gonna have a problem. A real life problem. For real.
Ain't nobody like you. That was my worst fucking fears. Something being wrong with my goddamn car.
All right, y'all. I really don't know how to. Oh, there it goes. Okay, y'all. So I got Laneige. So I'm trying to compare it to the one I get off of AliExpress. It's in my hand. So the brand, the name, it rubbed off. I'm gonna show y'all. It rubbed off. I get like 5 of them, 5 of these for like $1 something off AliExpress. So this is the one I get. So I'm trying to compare it and see if it is the same. So right now this is like the lip. You guys see? I think it's the same. I think this one, not in a bad way, this one is a little bit thicker, but not like a thick, it's, I'm trying to say, how can I explain it? It's like a creamy thickness. So this one is, I think this one is a little bit better. Yeah, I think this one is good too, but this one is more thicker. It got like a thicker, creamy base to it. And this is the one I got off AliExpress. The label rubbed off on it. So, but this, I'm gonna put the link down on the ones I get. I don't know. And also, like, you gotta be careful with that one too, because like the last batch I got, it was kind of like they watered it down a little bit or something like that. But I got a new batch in, and it was like back to when I first got it. Like the texture was back when I first got it. So I guess you gotta kind of be careful, I guess, or whatever like that. So this one was $17. And remind you, I told you the little one I get off AliExpress, I get 5 of those for like, or 6 for like $2. And then y'all also Laneige is also, it's a Chinese, I don't want to say Chinese, it's an Asian product. So yeah. Then I got this the lip slicking mask, Sweet Candy. This is the one I got. This one was $22. So altogether I spent $41 on this. Now they also have the on AliExpress, they also have this too, but they just come in smaller jars like the ones I just showed you. And that's why I get like so many of them. But I don't even think I come to $17 when I buy this on AliExpress. See, I wonder if they, okay, so this one feels like the one in the jar. Like this one is thicker than, this one is thicker. This one is thicker than this one. And this is what this feels like. The little tube I have feels like. It feels like this one. Yeah. I like that better. I don't know. Do y'all use, I use this. Like, I use this as lip gloss, like lip balm. I don't know. It smells good too. That's my nail print I just did. But yeah, so I got this from Sephora. So this is like a car review. A little car review. Because we're picking up Kaylee right now from school. Are they coming? They should be coming. So we went to Burlington. So after we left Kohl's, we couldn't find nothing in Kohl's. Burlington didn't have nothing. So we went to DHW, we went to Burlington, we went to Kohl's, we went to H&M, we went to Old Navy, we went to JCPenney's. Like, none of these stores had dress shoes for kids. None of them. And it's crazy to me because you can, any other time you can walk into a store and you can see kids' dress shoes just in your fucking face. Excuse my language. That's why I said, let me see a shoe store with a damn dress shoe after this. We gonna fight. I mean that shit. Cause it's like irritating me. Like, it's really bothering me. But I do gotta, I am forgetting, like, it is around Christmas time. People done took pictures, people buying gifts. But I'm like, this is the most time y'all should have dress shoes. Like, who don't have dress shoes? Look at that hair. Hey, look at that hair. Hey, look at that hair. Hey, hey. Let me stop. Is that Kaylee? Yep, that's Kaylee. She got a pink sparkly blue bag. They had, she had, pajama day. I'm like, I remember when I was a kid, we had Spirit Week, you had Twin Day, pajama day, hat day. Damn. Being a kid. Being a darn kid. But you want to be grown. You want to be fast, huh? With your fast tail. Now you're grown, you don't want to be grown no more. I don't want to be grown no more, damn it. Sick of this shit. Ghetto ass shit. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link down. And you know, I'm always for saving coins. I just had to like do a review, a test, like compare, and it's the same. So I don't know if I'll be buying this again from Sephora. So here come Kaylee Whaley. You gonna say hi to YouTube, Kaylee? Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. They can't see. Your door not closed, Kaylee. All right, y'all, we about to go. Say hi, Kaylee.
Hi.
Say bye, Kaylee.
Bye.
Oh, we need to go see if your toy. Ooh. Look at this cup, guys. I think I'm going to get one. It's like I always have the first one. Let me stop. So guys, today is Sunday. I didn't vlog at all Saturday because we had the funeral and the repast, so I didn't vlog at all. But today is Sunday and we gotta do Christmas shopping. We ain't do not a lick of Christmas shopping. We like literally last minute.
I'm about to get a sandwich, y'all.
I think I'm about to
sandwich. Word of the day is sandwich.
I think I want this. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. So we at Starbucks and I have to order. I want something fruity because I had coffee this morning at home. So I want something good.